Dame Doris has barely been in Blenheim for a month, and the restoration project has already begun. The first task for the day, though, was to dig Dame Doris out of the garage. Luckily for me, one of Dame Doris' favorite modes of transport is, in fact, a car trailer. And we will be needing one to get her to JJ's workshop. As you will see throughout this whole video, my skill set is to stay out of Vaughan and JJ's way and to let them do what I can't, which is all of it. Before long, she was safely secured on the trailer, and we were off. You may ask, what is wrong with her? Well, Dame Doris was parked up outside for a few years, and, not unexpectedly, she deteriorated over time to the point where I couldn't open her engine flap nor start her. So, the main task for her today was 1. Clean the engine bay. 2. Replace the oil. 3. See why she isn't starting. And 4. See if the fuel tank needs replacing. She was given the full spa treatment by JJ. The term London Bridge came to mind, with Vaughan up the front dealing with the fuel tank, and JJ in the back, working on her little engine. For a 63 Beetle, her fuel tank was in pretty good nick. Luckily that we removed it, as that's when we discovered a kink in the fuel line. She doesn't need a lot of fuel to run, but some of it does need to reach the engine. Then, it was finally time, something I've wished for a few years now. Her little engine kicked back into life. To say I was happy was the understatement of the year, and, as was only fitting, our head mechanic JJ took her for a spin. Truth be told, seeing her drive for the first time in years did make me a bit emotional. Then, it was Vaughan's turn. We came to realize that the only brakes working was her rear wheels. But, to be fair, a Beetle's brakes are more of a suggestion anyway.
Rear wheels? Only. Oh, she's going low.
And for the first time in years, she arrived home under her own power. A big thanks to my fellow Boomtown Dubbers, JJ and Vaughan. I appreciate you both for helping me get Dame Doris back on the road. Seriously, I couldn't have done it without you. Well, that's the first hurdle of Dame Doris restoration project done and dusted. But we're only getting started. Next up, getting her engine flap back on. Stay dubbing, everyone.